Today, we're going to make our very own mini Minecraft clone in Python. Yes, Python isn't just for boring spreadsheets or data science anymore. We're talking about actual playable games. Check this out. That's right, in just a few minutes, you'll be building and destroying blocks like a tiny blocky architect. Cool, right? All right, let's not just stare at it, let's actually make it. First things first, we need the Ursina engine. Think of it as a magical toolkit that lets us make games without losing our hair. Installing it is super easy, just a single command and you're ready to go. Oh, and that green grassy block you see everywhere? That's our grass texture. Don't worry about hunting for it. I've got it all ready for you, and you can grab the full code plus the image straight from the GitHub link in the description. Now let's dive into the code. First, we set up our player with a first-person controller. Basically, this is the character you'll walk around with, exploring your blocky world. Then we add a sky, because let's be honest, nobody likes wandering in a void. Next, we create our little blocky playground, a simple grid of cubes. It's cute, functional, and gives you a starting point to build whatever your imagination wants. Now comes the fun part, adding and removing blocks with your mouse. Left-click adds a block exactly where you're looking, and right-click destroys them, just like in Minecraft, but mini and way simpler. Instant blocky chaos guaranteed. And that's basically it. Let's fire it up and see it in action. Look at that. You can walk around, build crazy structures, destroy blocks, basically become the tiny block god of your own little world. If you enjoyed this mini Minecraft in Python, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and check out the GitHub link in the description for the full code and assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll build a tiny blocky castle next time.